Hello all, welcome back for another video, service reset my car. Today I'm going to show you how to service reset an Audi A6 2005 model. The difference between my previous videos is that this model doesn't include manually service resetting. I'm very disappointed in it. It's the only model of Audi from 2005. Before 2004 or 5 and 2005 and further, it's possible to do it manually, and the only model of 2005 isn't possible to do it manually. But anyhow, I'm going to show you how to do it with a diagnose computer, and I'm going to use an auto computer. Okay, as we turn the ignition on, the display on my combi instrument shows that the service is due. Wait a few seconds. One moment please. One moment. Or we can look at we can search it up. Then we have to search here. Oh, it's turned on like this. Yes, and we can search it up over here with the menu. You go to car, and then you scroll down to service, and you can see that the service is due. Okay. And I'm gonna use to reset this to an auto computer. Yes. I'm gonna go back to the beginning. Okay. I'm gonna go to service, oil reset. We let it automatically search for the VIN number of the car. The ignition must be on, the second position please. An Audi. And this one allows us to reset it with a computer. Wait a few minutes, for a few seconds please. Okay, I'm gonna auto oil reset. Okay. And the service reset. Press OK. And if you turn the ignition now back off and on, you'll see that the service indicator doesn't flash up anymore. Okay, I'm very disappointed in Audi, this model, only the 2005 model. Nothing to do about it. You have to use the diagnose computer to fix this. Thanks for watching. We would really appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel, the Service Reset My Car, and if you like our videos, give us a thumbs up please. Thanks for watching. See you with another video next time. Thank you. Bye bye.